Hello friends, today we start a new drawing course from scratch for beginners. First we'll use a regular pencil and a regular paper. Now we begin drawing a line, but very short lines. When you are beginning to draw, don't try to make very long lines. It's better draw short lines and connect one line with the other line. Now we open our lines in that shape, like a U shape. Now down the line here, see, and up. We now have the first part of our tree. Now we'll divide in more branches to gain more realism in our drawing. As you see, I draw in this video really slow because I want you see every detail and step I draw, so it will be, I hope, easy to you draw. This course will have more videos, and I hope you'll find it useful. And now I'll continue with my drawing. It is important, you may draw trees in many ways. You may put branches in every way you may possibly imagine. But in this way, first one trunk, then two, and the next step 3, the next step 5. This is the Fibonacci progression of branches, and it gives more realism to your drawings. But it is not a closed rule, okay? You may draw freely, but slow. The secret to draw fine, to draw well, to make good drawings is not try to go faster than you are, faster than your ability to draw. At first, it's better draw slowly. At each new level of the branches, the new branches must be thinner than the previous ones. This is a very important point. Okay, you see, a new level, thinner branches. You may draw them longer or shorter. That's not the point. The point is each step must be thinner. At this point, we draw every single branch with just a simple pencil drawing, like this. Okay? You may add more lines and more branches and try more ways and more shapes of drawings. In this first step, I will not draw leaves in our drawing. In other caps, I will add more details, but this is the first, and you will learn to draw. It's because of this I have not used an artistic or special pencil at all. You may use whatever pencil you have in your house. Never stop because you lack some material. All artists learn to adapt to make their art with the materials they have at the time. This is part of the way of become a real artist. Adapt yourself and draw or paint with what you have and where you are. Okay? let's draw bigger this drawing. If you like this kind of videos, slower and step by step, a real step by step, if you wish, I may you give me a comment in the comment lines. I'll thank you. Okay. Now we'll begin with shadows. Draw shadows with lines that follows the directions of the branches. At this point of drawing, we are not going to cross lines. This is for more advanced caps of this course. Being darker, this branch appears be farther away, so the drawing appears more three-dimensional. Okay. The other branches we give shadows with just a line in the side, in this way, because I have decided that the light comes from the left side, so the darker shadows must be at the right side of the branches of these tree. This is the basic way of shade and give shadows to a drawing. Remember that the trunk of the trees is usually rough, so draw the shading with lines this way to give it more texture. Okay. More lines here. As you see, it is easy to draw, and you can draw everything you wish. You just need practice, illusion, and more practice. Okay, giving its texture is very, very important. As you see, these are just lines, parallel lines. Don't try to draw details, but simply lines. Drawing is magic. Now the trunk is not flying. We must attach it to the floor. Okay. Now, while I draw this, I remember you, if you haven't done before, subscribe to my channel to know when I upload new videos. And give thumbs up if you wish, and share with friends and everyone. Now, with the pencil almost flat, draw softly, very softly, with the side of the lid, in this way, so the pencil appears grayer and lighter than if you draw with the tip. This is a way to draw in various shades of gray. Now, here, okay, easy, very easy. If you need it, stop the video each time you need it. Don't worry and draw slowly. And the most important part is you must enjoy what you are drawing. Art must be to enjoy it. Okay, we do have our tree almost finished. Just a very few details. I hope see you next week with a new video. I don't know if it will be the next cap of this course or another technique, but I hope see you here, and I hope you'll be happy and safety. Okay. It is finished. What do you think? Do you like it? See you next week. Bye.